Hello, this is Grisel's from Grisel's Cakes. Welcome to my kitchen. And in today's recipe, I'm gonna share a buttercream recipe. It's super simple, it has only 4 ingredients and it's easy to make. You just make it the flavor that you would like your buttercream to be. You can add vanilla, you can add almond flavor, whatever the cakes or your cupcakes are going to be, you just add the flavor. Okay, so thank you for being with me, and I want to remind you that every week I download 2 videos. Wednesdays is only about recipes, and on Sundays I actually do cake decorations, tutorials, anything that I would like for you to share with you. That will be on Sundays. If I do a special trip to a bakery or anything like that, that will be posted on Sundays also. So let's go ahead now and go to the recipe. What you need for this recipe for your buttercream, it will be 1 stick of butter. You also need 1/2 cup of shortening. Mix this together now, just to combine. It only takes about 2 minutes for this to mix the butter and the shortening. Now that the butter and the shortening are mixed, we're gonna add the flavor, and it can be whatever flavor that you want. I'm gonna use almond this time, and it's only 1 teaspoon that you need. Add the flavor to my butter and my shortening. I'm gonna add the powdered sugar, and it's gonna be 4 cups of powdered sugar. Just add it little by little. So this is how your buttercream it should look like, and it's super creamy, very delicious. Look over here, super yummy. I'm telling you, this recipe is really good. You are not gonna be disappointed. So go ahead and try it on your cakes and cupcakes. Super delicious. So that was it. That was the recipe for my delicious buttercream, and I hope you like it and you get to try it, and go ahead and add whatever flavor that you want for your buttercream. And don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you like this video, and go ahead and subscribe if you are new, and we'll see you next Wednesday, because you never know what I will be baking in my kitchen. Thank you and have a blessed day.